Once upon a time, in a lush meadow, there lived a swift and boastful rabbit named Rocky, and a slow yet determined tortoise named Theo. They often argued about who was faster. One day, tired of their bickering, the wise old owl suggested a race to settle the dispute. The animals gathered to watch as the race began. Rocky, confident in his speed, darted ahead, leaving Theo plodding along steadily. As the race progressed, Rocky decided to take a nap, underestimating Theo's slow but steady pace. Meanwhile, Theo persevered, inching closer to the finish line. When Rocky awoke, he was shocked to see Theo near the end. In a last-ditch effort, Rocky sprinted toward the finish, but it was too late. Theo crossed the finish line, winning the race. The meadow erupted in cheers, and the lesson was clear. Consistency and determination triumph over arrogance and overconfidence. The morale of the story: slow and steady wins the race.